Welcome to this video in which I'm gonna show you 3 easy Halloween makeup looks you can just achieve with one black eyeliner or black pencil. If you're like me and you don't have experience in creating elaborate makeup looks like those amazing makeup looks that you see on Pinterest, then don't worry, I have you covered. These are very easy to do and all you need is a black pencil, and of course you can add other products like glitter or different colors than I will be using in my video, but it's just a base idea from which maybe you can get more inspiration along the way. After doing this now, I do recommend using an eyeliner better than a pencil. When you need the edges to be sharp, then the eyeliner would give you more kind of sleek effect and you can just stretch those lines to just look sharp at the end. I think this is a really simple one that you could just do just like that if you have a black eyeliner. And if you want to take it further and be more fancy, you know, you could use some glitter. I think I have some glitter here. You could just leave it like that, put on your mascara, and that's it. You have such a cool Halloween look. If you have a wig, you can put a wig on. I actually have a wig. I have a black wig for ears now, but I'm gonna create a bit more using some glitter because I've put pink on my eyes, and you could just do this with any color in the crease. You could put purple or browns, you know, any types of colors you like. Last time when I played around with this look, I've just used this type of colors. I happen to have some glitter here. This is shade 02 if you're interested, and I will make it stick by using this NYX primer, glitter primer. I'll put the glitter primer here so I can control the applications. Put some glitter in this. Okay, so I'm gonna put maybe at the edge, I'm gonna put a bit of glitter primer. I'm gonna take some glitter and just give it something special. You can of course put false eyelashes. I just don't do false eyelashes because I'm no good at applying them and I have no patience, even though I would love to be able to do that on a daily basis or as often as I need. I would have to try many times until I get used to it, but I never had the time and patience. Just gonna do the best I can with my mascara. I forgot to put some nice highlighter on. Okay, a bit of blush. And I think I'm done. Simple, easy to do with a black eyeliner. You can just draw a spider web with the spider and you have yourself a Halloween look. I had this wig around that looks quite gorgeous. Oh wow. I wish I had hair this long. I've also also colored my eyebrows a bit with some black pencil because I wanted to go with my hair. You can pimp it up however you want. You can put more glitter, you can make it more, you know, big. You can do another one on the other eye. You know, you can dress in all black. For example, I would wear this look with a pair of black leather trousers with a black top, so all in black, and black shoes, or you could put, you know, all in black and the shoes to be pink or yellow or whatever, you know. So I think that would be quite cool. And now let me show you the other look that I have in mind. So I gave myself a brown smoky look, and I'm going to use this MAC eye pencil. It's called Ebony. I use this all the time, to be honest. It's gorgeous. It's an off black. It's like a gray, really dark charcoal color. And I feel like this won't be too harsh when I draw the line. So I'm gonna just draw the line above my lash. Now that I've put golden eyeshadow on my upper lip, I'm going to go further with this. You could just go with the black pencil and all over the place, but I do like to give it depth. So I am gonna put the same thing I've put on my eyes. I'm gonna put a base of brown, and you can use any colors you want. If you want to make your eyes pink or, you know, neon green or blue, or just keep the same kind of idea of colors all over the place, I decided to go with brown, but you could just make it, you know, blue. Your nose, you can be blue, or with blue eyeshadow. Just keep it in the same tone so you can have consistency. So I'm gonna smoke it out here. I think that's too long, you know. That is a really long mustache. So I'm gonna have to cancel that out, and I don't know how. If this happens to you, obviously you can just go in with makeup remover and reapply the thing. I'm gonna kind of leave it like that maybe. That's a really long mustache. I messed up this line here a bit, but I can definitely remove that with some makeup remover. Let me see if I can put my foundation brush around. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's not perfect, but it's, you know, it's fast. If you do a cat eye lick and then you just exaggerate the lines going down, then you're gonna have this effect. Okay, and to bring this look together, I have here a lipstick that's in the same kind of shade as the eyeshadow. It's very golden. This is a MAC one. It's called Gel. I like it. Almost finished. I have here some ears that I got from the local supermarket. Yeah, at the kids section, I found myself some ears. Ooh. I like it. You can obviously improve this in so many more ways by adding glitter. Or you could give yourself some volume here like that if you're gonna put some ears on and make it look even better. And you can wear a pair of black leather trousers with some stiletto heels or whatever type of heel you prefer. Okay, I'm gonna show you another look that you can create really easy. As you can see, I did keep my nose because I want to go from here and make it a bit different. And I recommend an eyeliner for this because it's more precise and it just slides better on the skin. there it is. This is another look that you can create, kind of like a scary clown look. I would also love to put some glitter on because I love glitter. Any chance I get to put some glitter on, I'll take it. Put some glitter primer. I'm gonna use the same pink glitter because that's the only glitter I have in the house. As you can imagine, I don't use a lot of glitter on a daily basis. I mean, I don't ever use the glitter actually. But on Halloween, what better chance to use it, right? Okay, I have to remember that I have a finger with glitter on, so I won't touch stuff. And of course you can just leave it there, you know, you don't have to put glitter on. You can just leave it as it was without glitter, because the idea is to just create looks from using just a black eyeliner or black pencil. But if you want to take it further and you happen to have some glitter, you can definitely glam it up a bit more. You know what, I'm just gonna put some glitter on my nose as well. I should have made it more black maybe, but I'll leave it like that. To bring everything together, I think I'm going to put a bit of pink, like whatever the colors you use, but I think I'm going to put a bit of red pigment in the eye area so I can bring everything together a bit better. I'm just basically really close to the window, and neighbors might look terrified if they see me, because I look scary. I mean, I don't look scary, but from far away they think, oh my god, look at that face. What's going on there? Let me just put my wig. As you can see, I keep it in a bag. Only get it out at Halloween. This fringe is killing me. Oh, maybe I can put the ears on. Like that. To keep it on. Or I could put this with the cat eye look, you know, the black wig. That would work even better actually, definitely. Oh my god, why didn't I think of that when I had the cat eye situation? It looks a bit weird here because I'm a blonde. Of course I can sort it out. Does it look good? I look so not like myself, which is a good start for Halloween. This is my finished clown look. I think it's a clown. You can definitely do that easy. Some triangles here and there. Put some glitter on if you have. Red lipstick, you know, you might have some sort of lipstick in the house. I'm gonna list everything down below, the makeup products that I used to achieve these looks. I think actually looking at it now, I think it needs a bit more blending. I think it's finished. I think it's finished. You know, you have to, when you go out like this, you have to remember you have a lot of black on your face, so don't rub your face. These are my 3 easy Halloween makeup looks. If you enjoyed them, if you think you would wear any of them, leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you would try. If you haven't yet subscribed to my if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and click that notification bell, because when I'm gonna post, it's gonna let you know as soon as I make the video live. If you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and until the next one, mwah, bye. Oh my god, I look scary, don't I?